Hello chemistry students. I'm going to go over the weekly overview for week number 6, February 22nd to February 26th. So we will be seeing each other next week on Wednesday or Thursday, and there will be a few changes to how we do class, but it probably should be interesting. And in the learning folder, I put a couple of resources. I'm going to go over them. First, I'm going to go over an overview of the week. On Monday, it's SDL. It means that you have the time to be revising checkpoints if that's what you choose to do. Review any posted keys for the acid-base POGIL, the dimensional analysis assignment, and I also put the key for checkpoint 5 that we just worked on this week. I basically put my calculations so you can compare your calculations to the key. If you choose so, you can also work on a power focus area or an additional focus area. Check Summit Learning for deadlines, but I can tell you that there is another one approaching for you, which is the acid-base chemistry 1 additional focus area. All right, so I can tell you that if you worked on the POGIL and you understand the dissociation of the auto-ionization of water equation, you are in good shape to attempt this focus area and pass it. So on Tuesday, we are going to work on the second part of checkpoint 5, which is to construct an evidence-based explanation about the seashell investigation. I will show you a resource in class slides with an example and what a CER paragraph looks like. On Wednesday, so it's in person for students from the alphabet A to L, I believe. Anyhow, we will be doing an activity with a baking soda solution, more details to come. In the afternoon, you should also prioritize some time to do some homework. Since our classes on Wednesdays are so short, you need to work a little bit more when you get back home or to Starbucks or to study hall. Anyhow, you should be finishing your paragraph and submitting it for feedback. And then on Thursday, we will likely start a checkpoint 6 PhET activity about acid and bases, especially understand the difference between strong and weak acids and bases. So that checkpoint 6 PhET activity can be printed, or you can work on your notebook, or you can directly edit the PDF. So that's the plan for the week, and I will talk to you soon.